Hello guys, welcome to NameTech channel. My name is Nehemiah and this is lesson 7 on NumPy, and we are discussing NumPy array shape. But then guys, before we start, if it's your first time to get into this channel, please consider subscribing, like and share the video to your friends. And to the returning subscribers, thank you very much for your support. You can as well like the video so that YouTube may recommend it to very many viewers. So back to the topic guys, what is shape of an array? So guys, basically the shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimension. And how do we get the shape of an array? So guys, basically NumPy array has an attribute called shape that returns a tuple with each index having the number of corresponding elements. So I want to show you here an example guys. For example, how to print the shape of a two-dimensional array, 2D array. So first of all, you remember before we do anything, you must import the module with the import keyword. We are importing NumPy. NumPy is an alias np, and then guys, in this second line of code, I'm gonna create here an object with the variable a. Then let me assign it to np.array method, and then guys, I'm gonna create a two-dimensional array here. In the first element, I'm gonna type 1, 2, 3, perhaps to 4, and then the second element, let me say 5, 6, 7, 8, and then guys, how do we execute this? Because at the terminal we use what? The print function. Say print, and then guys, define your object a, and then the shape. Remember the shape guys, I said that this is a shape attribute. It's used to return the tuple that with the index having the number of corresponding elements. So it will give us the number of corresponding elements in this array. So here it should be shape, sorry. And then let me click on the run button, and then guys, you can see that it has returned what? This tuple with the elements 2, 4. So which means that the array has two dimensions, where the first element is 2, and then the second one has what? Has 4. So guys, let me show you also another example. For example, how to create an array with 5 dimensions using the keyword ndmin, using a vector with values perhaps 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I verify that the last dimension has 4 value, or a 5, or whichever value it is there. So first of all, let me import this NumPy is an alias. Remember, this is a new state, so you must specify the you must import once again the alias. Now here, let me create also another object here with this np array method. Array method. Then let me create here a list. Let me say perhaps 1, 2, 3, 4, and then also guys, you remember how we can define the number of dimension here? We use this keyword n d m I n keyword, then I specify the number of dimension. I'm giving it 5, perhaps you can give it 6, and then to print it out, you use the print function. Let me say array, actually a, the variable name, and then guys, you can see that this is the shape of this array. So guys, what does the shape tuple represent? So guys, basically integers at every index tells about the number of elements the corresponding dimension has. So for example, in this example, at index 4 we have value, value 4. So we can say that the fifth, basically the fifth, that is 4 plus 1, is has a dimension of 4 elements. Remember I said that indexing in NumPy begins from 0. So when we specify the fifth, you will say 4 plus 1. If you give it 5, it will go to 6, because it adds 1, because indexing begin from 1. So guys, basically this is what I wanted to show you, and I think you've understood this NumPy array shape. So So guys, please consider subscribing, like and share the video to your friend, that is to support the channel. And guys, until next time, this is Nehemiah. Goodbye.